What if the real reason your belly fat keeps coming back isn't your food, not your workout, and not even your age, but something you do every single morning without thinking? Most people completely overlook this one habit, yet it may be quietly influencing whether your body stores fat or burns it throughout the day. Before we go deeper, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because what we're about to uncover is not the usual fitness advice you hear everywhere. This is about the hidden science of your morning routine and how small changes here can completely shift how your body behaves. Why belly fat is so dangerous. That's thumb. Every morning, millions of people look in the mirror and ask the same question. Why is this belly fat still here? They are eating less, trying to walk more, avoiding junk food, and sometimes even skipping dinner, but the belly fat refuses to go away. That is because belly fat is different, especially the deep fat around your organs called visceral fat. This fat is dangerous because it acts like a living organ inside your body. It releases inflammatory chemicals, increases blood sugar, raises blood pressure, damages hormones, and increases the risk of heart disease, fatty liver, and type 2 diabetes. So belly fat is not just about appearance, it is about long-term health. The real hidden causes of belly fat. Most people make a big mistake. They focus only on calories, but belly fat is often controlled more by hormones than food. There are 3 hidden reasons your body keeps storing fat around your stomach. The first is cortisol, your stress hormone. When stress stays high for too long, your body thinks you are in danger and stores fat around your belly as protection. The second is insulin resistance. This happens when your body stops responding properly to insulin. Sugar stays in the blood longer, and your body converts extra sugar into fat. The third is chronic inflammation. This silent problem slows metabolism, increases cravings, damages hormones, and makes fat burning harder. Until these issues improve, even the best diet can feel useless. Why? Morning routine matters so much. Your morning routine plays a powerful role in fat burning. The first 30 minutes after waking are very important because your body is still in a fasting state, hormones are resetting, and metabolism is preparing for the day. What you do in this time can either help your body burn fat or store it. Unfortunately, most people start the day the wrong way. Coffee first, sugary breakfast, stressful phone scrolling, and no water. This increases cortisol and spikes blood sugar early in the morning. That is where a simple morning drink can help. The simple morning drink recipe. Take 1 glass of warm water, add the juice of half a fresh lemon, then mix in half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which many people use to support digestion. Add a small pinch of cinnamon for flavor and its naturally warming properties. And if your stomach tolerates spice well, you can include a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper to gently boost circulation and metabolism. Now, stir it well and drink it slowly, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach or before a meal. This combination is often used as a simple daily wellness drink. Warm water helps wake up the digestive system, lemon adds freshness and vitamin C, and apple cider vinegar is commonly used in small amounts to support digestion and appetite control. Cinnamon adds a mild sweetness without sugar, and cayenne gives a light kick that some people feel helps them stay energized. But it's important to keep it gentle. These are strong ingredients, so the key is balance. If you feel any acidity, burning, or discomfort, reduce the vinegar or skip the cayenne pepper. Also, it's not a miracle drink. It works best when combined with a healthy diet, regular movement, and good hydration throughout the day. Used consistently and carefully, it can become a simple morning habit that makes you feel lighter, more refreshed, and more active. What each ingredient does. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system, improves circulation, and helps flush out waste that may have built up overnight. It also supports your metabolism in a natural, gentle way, without shocking your system first thing in the morning. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It supports digestion, helps reduce internal inflammation, and may improve insulin sensitivity, so your body can use sugar more efficiently instead of storing it as fat. Over time, this helps your system stay more balanced. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is widely studied for its role in supporting fat metabolism. It may help reduce fat storage, improve insulin response, lower blood sugar spikes after meals, and control appetite. This often leads to fewer cravings and more stable energy throughout the day. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces sudden spikes and crashes that trigger hunger. It may also improve insulin sensitivity and reduce sugar cravings. Along with that, it has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which is important because chronic inflammation is linked with stubborn belly fat. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which can slightly increase thermogenesis. This means your body produces a little more heat and may burn slightly more calories. It can also help reduce appetite, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking. Why timing makes it powerful? The real secret is not just the ingredients, but the timing. When you take this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, your body absorbs it more efficiently. Your digestive system activates earlier, insulin response becomes more stable before breakfast, and your metabolism gets a quicker start. Instead of beginning the day in a fat-storing state due to stress or sugar spikes, you give your body a chance to reset and start in balance. This is what makes the morning timing so important. Consistency is the real key. Your body does not change in just a few days. Hormones, inflammation, and insulin sensitivity all improve gradually over time. Most people give up too early because they expect quick results, but real change is slow and steady. Those who stay consistent for at least 30 days often notice improvements like reduced bloating, fewer cravings, better energy levels, and a gradual reduction in waist size. These small changes add up and create real transformation. Tomorrow morning, before your phone, before coffee, and before breakfast, take just 5 minutes for yourself. Drink 1 glass of warm water, add the juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of cayenne if your body allows it. Drink it slowly and give your body a calm, clean start to the day. This small habit can help set the tone for better digestion and energy. Over time, it is these simple habits that create the biggest changes. If you found this helpful, don't just scroll away. Hit the like button so this message reaches more people who need it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-based health tips you can actually use in daily life. Also, share this video with someone who is struggling with stubborn belly fat or low energy. Because sometimes people don't need complicated advice, they just need the right information explained in a simple way. And remember, real change doesn't come overnight. It comes from small habits done consistently every day. Your body responds to routine, not shortcuts. Thanks for watching, take care of your health, and see you in the next video.